Alright boys, as I was putting the video from Highlands drifting together, I realized I forgot to record anything like loading and all that stuff. So the video you're gonna watch today is gonna be the BMW drifting at Highlands drifting. The thing ripped. Check it out. Dude, the car's so amazing. It is insane. Nothing broke. Check this out. Nothing is broken, nothing is disconnected. And yeah, so too much power. It's I don't need to clutch kick mostly. It's just like take your feet up, floor it, and the thing goes. Amazing! Alright, one more tire. I don't know how it looks, but shaking pretty good. So yeah, we had a good run. Car died again, so I figured why. The ECU somehow is disconnecting. Alright, just being stoked. This is amazing. Check out this tire. He got all the way DV'd and the tread is gone. Yeah, so that's all I have. I didn't bring any other tire, so I have a new one on that side and a brand new one on the truck. Oh man, I don't know why I didn't bring the tires that I had. It's shredding too quickly now. It's almost like almost like not fun. All right, day is over, and the camera is on the right setting. And yeah, so car is back there. We're going to eat something and then head to the house. Everybody's kind of leaving already. Ding ding ding. That's Cheyenne. What is your thing again, Cheyenne? Cheyenne and Josh. What is the thing called?
What?
Dream Factory. Yeah, look at that thing. There you go. Dream Factory.
JP.
JP.
It's like Duck Japan, pretty much.
Oh. That's cool. And there you go. It's their car here. Yeah. People make like cool stuff in here. And check this out. I gotta show you that. Bang. Look at that. Beautiful. And my car is down there. There you go. Super beautiful. Alright, we got a cabin in the woods. Time to go back to the track. But check out this view. Flathead Lake. There's a bunch of people. We have trampoline. It's a big property. Don't touch this here because this is, we almost fell. Yeah. Look at that beauty. And we're gonna head to the track. Come back in a minute. Alright, that was my last run. It is hailing. It hurts. Anyway, car's on the trailer. I got it strapped and everything, so it's gonna take a while. Snow covered areas. Guess I'm gonna eat my Subway. And this week, battery's dying anyway, so event is over, guys. And I met a bunch of good people. Stoked that my 2J work. My hair is horrible thanks to COVID and the bad hairdressers. I'm just kidding, they're all nice. It's just my hair. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.